welcome to yet another tutorial. My name is Carolina and today I'll show you how to make this cute bikini top using my new sewing pattern called Stella. To start, fold shoulder straps in half and pin them down. Sew the elastic to the straps using a zigzag stitch. Thanks to the elastic, the seam won't snap in the future. For this tutorial, I'm using a 5mm elastic. Turn shoulder straps to the right side using a loop turner or a safety pin. And then repeat the same steps with the waist strap. Fold it in half and then stitch elastic to the seam using a zigzag stitch. You can buy this pattern from my shop on Etsy, and I'll leave link in the description if you want to check it out.
I can take it, I don't need a prize. Leave out the fact that I am up against 1,000 guys. My intuition efficient, cause I can't use my mind. Don't try to tell me how it's done, you haven't done your time. If you never fall, you don't change at all. Cry out now.
Moving on to the bikini, place 2 panels right side to right side and sew the bottom edge together with a 1cm seam allowance using a zigzag stitch.
Hey, listen up, I've tried to tell you this 100 times. Not getting better by lying there pretending to cry. You on repeat, you can see shit cause you have closed your eyes.
Then pin the sides of the front panel together and sew an elastic to the seam using a zigzag stitch. Leave approximately a 1cm gap from the bottom seam and at the top. The elastic should not overlap and leave a small gap as well.
Keep reading between the lines. There's nothing there for you to complicate. We're not aligned. You say you listen, but guessing that's just another sign. Not growing up, you're growing old. Your life keep passing by.
Using a safety pin, insert the straps into the front panels and then make a back tack stitch at the top.
I can take it, I don't need a prize. Leave out the fact that I am up against 1,000 guys. My intuition efficient, cause I can use my...
Cut off any extra seam allowance if necessary and turn panels to the right side by pulling on the shoulder straps.
If you never fall, you don't change at all. Cry out now. Have you given up? I will never stop, yeah.
Tuck in any seam allowance inside and pin the panels at the bottom once again.
Now if you break it, I can take it, I don't need a prize. Leave out the fact that I am up against 1,000 guys. My intuition efficient, cause I can use my mind. Don't try to tell me how it's done, you haven't done your time.
And top stitch the bottom of the hem 1cm away from the edge.
Never fall, you don't change at all. Cry out now. Have you given up? I will never
Using a safety pin, insert the waist strap through the channel of the left and then right panel. Tie a knot at the end of the straps to secure them in place and trim the ends. And that's it, your own perfect Stella bikini top. Thank you for watching.